Come downstairs with me. Come on. It's about to be so good. I'm like excited. This right here is everything. One of the easiest ways to get my body completely in remission. Black cumin seeds. I'll put it in the dumpster. Go outside.
Welcome to my channel, and make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Leave me some comments below if you want me to go deeper into black tea, or just if you want me to do a whole herbal series. Let me know in the comments below. But I just have to do a real quick grocery store run. My baby, she wanted to record me, so that's what it was. But you guys, let me know in the comments below, what herbs do you want me to touch on first?
So now I am about to start editing. This is editing Cyn, and these are my editing glasses. And in a new video coming really soon, I'm going to show you where these videos have come from. It's because it makes me look smart. And he's snoring. I'm trying to do a voiceover. I mean, not a voiceover, but if I'm trying to record a video and you just start snoring in the back, he's not gonna stop. He don't care. And you want to know a secret? This mic is not on. I'm doing this from my phone because this is broke. It gives like a little dusty little kickback sound, like trash sickles. So I think I'm gonna do some videos on here because I look cute on my phone. But anyway, this is editing Cyn. So right now I'm about to start editing, and I'm getting a new setup soon. Like, I've just been so focused on other stuff. I haven't upgraded electronics or nothing like that in years. Seriously. So I am going to be doing that in these next couple of months. All new equipment. All new equipment. Ain't nothing wrong with my stuff though. I'm one of those people. If it ain't broke, then why are we constantly trying to fix it? You know, that's what I want to know. Why are we constantly trying to fix things that are not broken? And it's not broke. My computer worked good. So, I love my blue light glasses. I feel like I look really smart in them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, now I'm going to finish this vlog, and it's going to be like a longer one. Why? Because these are the type of videos I want to create. This is how stuff looks real life behind the scenes. Kind of dusty, kind of junky. I just be randomly throwing on clothes. And yeah. So I think this is like my Cyn Doll, the librarian. So, cleaning off my desk area over here. I haven't really put like too much serious time into this area over here because we will be moving soon. I'm excited, but I'm not telling you nothing until I actually do. But went ahead and just, I think I already put the clips here of me putting this unit on, and this is like my new fave. So today I am going to edit this video and a couple of other ones, and I'm going to get some more content together for Guru VIP and just the guru platform in general. So if you are a member, make sure you check the new portal so you can see like how to access the information. I updated the app so you have a little bit more detail. For everybody who goes on my website, the 7-day hair growth challenge group is private and you cannot get in the group unless you have done the challenge previously. So make sure you enter your first and last name whenever you request to join the group, because it's people that are just trying to join the group like, oh, I'm just trying to find more out about it. It's like, no, you have to pay. You got to put in on this, you know, to get involved in this. So I love you guys. This here on the screen is another testimonial. Yeah, I can talk, I can think. It's another testimonial from one of my clients, and I'm sorry, not from one of my clients, from somebody here on YouTube. So I'm gonna try to do better at sharing reviews with you guys, because I get so many of them and I love it so much. So if you've taken a class from me, if you bought an ebook, if you just learned a whole lot of stuff here on my channel and you've been able to apply it and see changes in your everyday life, like anything, send me freaking pictures to this email right here. Like, it does so much for me, because sometimes you feel like you're not helping, especially like when you have grandkids around. It really will make you feel like you're not helping. Like, is this even worth it? Like, am I doing anything? But I know that I am. I'm so freaking happy right now, because it's so easy to get into a place, especially like going into 2023. It's so easy to get into a place where you're constantly comparing yourself, where you're always thinking that you're doing something wrong, where you think you always have to put on makeup. Like right now, no, I'm not having on no makeup. No, I didn't draw no eyebrows. No, all you getting is some tinted lip gloss. That's all you getting from me, you know. And it just makes me feel so good that my skin is looking good and feeling good, so I'm able to do that. And it just feels good to create the type of content that I want to create, you know, because I'm really about like tribe building. All right, so let me say it like this. So for you to share the information and not gatekeep, you have to make yourself open and susceptible to receiving a bunch of stuff. And it's like, at the end of the day, I don't think it's that, oh, everybody's gatekeeping. I think it's a matter of whether or not you decide that it's worth it. If whether or not your purpose and your why is big enough to take that. And for a lot of people, it's just not worth it. And guess what? I'm one of those people. So I have decided to do it in a completely different way. So a lot of the videos that I make are gonna be maybe different than most people are used to. And I know for a definite fact, like, you guys are seeing this all over social media. Like, it's not just me, it's so many different people. So it's like, at one point, everybody has to get to the state where they're okay seeing new things. Like, if everybody that creates content is at this place where they're done creating the same old, and everybody want to do something different, everybody want to move into a new paradigm, then that means, as the viewer, right, why wouldn't you be like, all right, I'm gonna make sure that all of the YouTubers I'm subscribed to, or anybody that I'm subscribed to, I'm gonna, you know, just tune in a little bit and start looking at different stuff. Like, who knows? I don't know. That was just a rant. Whatever. Do what y'all gonna feel. Do what you want to do. But I have to get up into this computer. I'm getting into this computer. Getting a lot of bit of work done. I'm gonna get as many videos edited as I can. And yeah, I'm not doing anything. I just wanted to like look like somebody today. And I wanted to look really smart, because one thing I am doing is recording some more video footage. Delete that footage. Some more video footage for my new course.
This video is sponsored by me and my new course, the Hair Growth Cycle Blueprint. Now, the 7-day hair growth challenge was just like your associate's degree, the basics. But if you're somebody who's really needing to do a complete 360, learning everything about the human body from the inside out, then this will be the perfect course for you, okay? Make sure you check the links in the description box below to learn a little bit more about it, because listen, if the 7-day hair growth challenge was what you would call, you know, your associate's degree, this course is the full-fledged PhD. So make sure you check the links in the description box below so you can sign up today.
Out for a while, but yes, my new course, we're going deep. And the thing that I love about courses, if you're somebody who is trying to get into like a different field of work, one thing that I love about courses, right, with a course you can change it up as many times as you want. Actually, I'm about to make this short. I'm about to put you on my desk. Hold on, big sexy. Hold on. Go get this. There we go. How you doing? So, I just want to focus on just creating the type of stuff that I want to create, because I know y'all are probably tired of hearing it, because everybody's saying it, because everybody feels the same way. Like you just feel like you stuck creating a certain type of content, and it's like you don't have to feel that way. Like the pressure that you feel is the pressure that you put on yourself, and I just decided like I'm just simply not doing that no more. And if you like my videos, you like my videos, and if you don't, you don't. But I will see y'all for my next hair video whenever I take these braids down, and then we'll probably do another
mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2.
So as you can see, that is my old Yeti, so I have to get a new one because it sounds like boo-boo sprinkles. So I'm ordering another one. That's why I'm handling all my other stuff. So I have a bunch of mics, y'all. So I've used my baby mic right here because I like my baby mic, but I have a bunch of them. But I'll see you soon. Thank you guys. I have a brand call this morning. Yes, the background is dusty. No, I'm not cleaning it up today. It's a really good day, but it's one of those days that I'm like not struggling, because to use the word struggling means that something wrong is nothing wrong. Lord, our Flo is supposed to come in town, so I'm a little all over the place. But one thing that I will say, there's a new pattern and new routine that I have going on. I'm talking about not a piece of makeup on, and I'm not putting it on. But one thing that's like making me super excited and super happy is just the fact that like I've figured out a way to get back in the swing of things. Because I remember whenever I first started on YouTube, went viral, whatever, it had nothing to do with like silk press videos, because people go viral for all types of stuff, like all types of stuff, right? It was my consistency. That's the difference. Like I remember even in the midst of like doing 10-11 clients a day and having freaking more than that and having 2 kids and everything, I would still manage to come home from work and get at least 1 video uploaded every single day. So at work I would have I would edit a video at night and then schedule it to be posted in the morning, and then most of the time I didn't know how many views a video had gotten until I took my lunch for the first time throughout the day. So I'm like, I must go back to that. So now I'm just scheduling out all of my videos a day in advance, and it's making my workflow easier because instead of me like thinking of video ideas, making one, or coming up with something, editing, trying to get it out that day within the peak time, I can like create, take my time, edit, and I'm not rushing because each day, like today, there's already a video locked and loaded and ready to go for tomorrow. So I'm always like 2 days in advance prepared. So make sure your post notifications are on, or just be here every day. Just be here. Just come. Just know it's gonna be a new video for you.